Okay, Markel, I looked at your thumbnails. I'm just going to go over what we're grading on for the print ad project, the 10% of your grade print ad. So clipped imagery is going to be 20% of the total grade. Um, so, if you clip an image, that's going to be good. So you have to use Photopea. If you follow along to those videos to clip an image, if you find an image on a white background, you can just use removebackground.com. But just follow along to the videos in week. I'm not quite sure what week it was, but you can find it in the content area of the Brightspace shell. Effort, if it looks like you took your time, it looks relatively professional, everything, you crossed your T's, dotted your I's, that's 20%. Sometimes I can tell if you've rushed. Required elements, so you need a headline, a subhead, call to action, obviously imagery or graphical images of some sort or photos, the Bearpaw logo, a tagline, and a promotion. And so campaign brand, you're staying in line with that. So to reinforce the brand of Bearpaw, you use the Bearpaw colors, use the logo. You have kind of a more playful, lighthearted, humorous, useful tone to your ad. So that's kind of keeping in with the brand campaign for the ad. And then tagline idea. Your tagline idea ties into the one thing for Bearpaw Ski Bowl, which is local fun. That's the one thing that the local Bearpaw Ski Bowl has is local fun. So definitely think of local fun when you come up with a tagline idea. So let me see, let's see, where am I? So if I go into where your, boy, what am I doing? Sorry, bear with me. If I go into the assignments area and I go into where your thumbnail sketches are, we're in here, come down a little bit, come here. Okay, so I think my favorite, I think you put one of them in there twice, maybe thumbnail one, but let's see. Or maybe you put them both in there twice, but so I kind of think I like this idea, the clothing idea. I notice you have like 3 separate boxes here. You don't need 3 different things. Maybe just focus in on one of these. So either a picture of goggles, or a picture of caps, or a picture of shirts. Just one picture in the background will do. But you are supposed to clip an image, so you might want to clip maybe like a hat out or something of a photo from the Bearpaw Ski Bowl Facebook page and put that over the top of a picture of like the shop or something. So let's look and see. If we go on Facebook and then do Bearpaw Ski Bowl, search for them. We can go through their photos. Here, let me close that out. Photos. Come down here. They're usually somewhere around here. Here we go. So there are a lot of photos of the shop in here. So here's some goggles you could clip out potentially, although there's a missing chunk here, so that's not. But you could clip them out of this picture. You could clip those out and put them on top of a picture of merchandise, like maybe folded shirts or something. Here's the shirts, some of the merch. Here's some more merch. Here's some more merch. So, I mean, you just have to find a good background image. This is a decent one. You could have the goggles clipped out here or over the top of this. You could have a little something clipped out here. So there's definitely some merch pictures in here. These aren't bad either. You could use one of these. You could use this or whatever you think will work. And then if you clip something out and put it over the top of that, just merch over top of merch will work pretty well. You don't have to clip out necessarily the goggles. You can clip out a hat if you can find a good hat that you think will work to clip out. So that will work. Let's see, where is your... And then you have a headline, a subhead, if you want to put in, you are offering a discount, so you could buy like 2-for-1 hats, or buy one hat, get one free or something. Tagline, wear local fun. You could try mixing that up and making it a little bit more, um, you know, a tagline needs to also be usable across. You could say like latest local fashions or something like that. This will work fine. It's just you're saying local fun, which is the one thing, which is good. I'm glad that you're understanding that local fun is the one thing and that you need to use it in your tagline, so that's great. Um, Make sure you have a clear call to action in here, and make sure that you put your logo here. Maybe, you know, buy one, get one free. You could make it time sensitive, you know, in between these dates. Come in, and then you could say, come in and shop at your local ski. Come in and shop at your local ski shop or something like that. Anyway, and don't forget the logo. So hopefully this is a helpful feedback for you, but I think this is a cool idea. I think you can just have one big photo in the background with another photo of like maybe it featuring a product and then offering that discount on that product that you're featuring larger. And then just make sure you have a clear call to action. Like visit us today at the shop and shop the sale, or visit us today at our location and shop our sale, or something like that. Might be a better call to action. Because call is definitely a call to action, but that doesn't tie into the sale that you're going to have on the merchandise, and then also on the bigger product that you might feature clipped out on top. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.